Hello and welcome. This is a meal called How to Make Birds in a Nest with Rideau sliced light Caraway rye bread. First thing you gotta do is you get the rye bread onto the plate. And then you put holes in the middle of the rye breads for each one. Then you got the butter. And then you put in the pan. And then you get the slices of rye bread and you put butter, and then do it for each side for 2 slices of rye bread. Then, last but not least, you open up this carton and you get 2 eggs. And then you crack one from the middle right here for 1 slice of rye bread. And then, after that, 1 for the other 2. And then, the other side, compost. Because as you know, we don't need to eat eggshells, because they could make you really sick. What? And then let's do the other one. And then you let it sit for a couple of moments. It's not ready. And here is the birds in the nest with Rideau Slice of Life Caraway rye bread. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.